Hi friends, I have recently finished a long road trip with my friends and now it's time to make my SUV sparkling clean. I have used many imported car, dashboard, interior cleaning products but they all have been useless. Yes, useless because all those products act like magnets for dirt and grime. Guys, I'm really excited to use this unique and innovative product that is Wavex Dashboard Leather Conditioner plus Protectant. Most importantly, in Wavex there is a unique formula for zero dust attraction and zero sticky feel. Without wasting any time, let's get started and see how effective it is. Guys, remember, for best results this product has to be used on clean surfaces only. Now since this is clean, just dab a small amount of Wavex on the sponge and start rubbing gently. The steering and the side panels can also be done in a similar fashion. Actually, Wavex Dashboard Leather Conditioner plus Protectant is a multi-surface shield for your entire vehicle's interiors. Wow, now that I've finished front side, let me take you around and show how beautifully this can polish and shine my leather seat covers too. Let's just quickly clean the dirty part. Actually, Wavex has a mild cleansing effect, but for the best results, we must apply on clean surfaces only. Wavex not only cleans fast, but also maintains the freshness of vinyl, leather, plastic and rubber while blocking out the ultraviolet rays. The Wavex treated portions have an invisible layer of protection which shields it from water, dust, sweat and pollution. The clean surface requires less frequent maintenance, hence overall life of your vehicle's interiors get a big boost. Guys, you can smell this freshness and experience the ultimate shine and cleanliness effect. As I'm ready to go. By the way, before I leave, I must tell you that the Wavex Dashboard Leather Conditioner plus Protectant is probably the only multi-purpose all-rounder premium car care product that works on all interiors of your car. So order one today, check it out for yourself. Got to leave now. Bye. Happy driving, clean driving. To order now, log on to www.wavex.in. Wavex Dashboard and Leather Conditioner plus Protectant is also available in multiple packs.